Hey Glossy family, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, I want to say you are welcome. To my returning subscribers, my audience and my viewers, I just want to say thank you and God bless you. So guys, on today's face care routine, we'll be using main ingredient tomatoes and sugar. How you'll be needing some tomatoes, just a slice of tomatoes and some sugars with any oil or serums you have. So the video is self-explanatory and I won't be taking much of your time. So before we continue, while washing, let's see some of the benefits this scrub has on our face or on our skin. Let's talk about sugar scrubbing. Sugar helps to remove dead skin, and if you remove dead skin, the skin under the dead skin go dey shine. It will be bright and radiant. Sugar also helps to rejuvenate skin. That means removing the dead skin, it go give chance to the young skin wey dey under make dey shine, go dey glow. And it also help to cleanse our skin pores at once. That many of the times dirty and sweat don cover them, so our skin no dey breathe, our skin no dey respirate well. So that itself na suffering and pains to the skin. Sometimes all these things we have them at home, just that we don't know how to combine them together. If you also check the benefit of tomato scrub for the face, they almost share the same benefit, because tomatoes also help to get rid of their cells, also help to reduce oil from the skin. If you have oily face, I advise you to use often tomato scrub. Tomato scrub also help to prevent hardening, tighten, loosen pores at once. And when you cleanse use sugar to scrub your skin, then it go remove those dirty ways, block the holes of our skin. Then tomato scrub will go in and what to do and help you to tighten those open pores for those who get deep holes on their skin, open pores. It also help as a natural protectant against sun. This now for those people where they suffer from some tans or some burns. I just apply without stressing yourself. Every evening before you go to bed, rub tomatoes on those black area of your face. Those black area, use tomatoes, rub and sleep. The next day you wash them off. Or if you are scared that it might cause some kind of irritation on your skin, put it, allow it to sit for 30 minutes, then rinse it off. So my people, tomato scrub also give your skin a very youthful glow. So when you combine these two ingredients together, my dear, you're going to love it. It is not a magic, but you have to be consistent twice a week. It is a go. Imagine adding these two powerful ingredients together. What do you expect? Your skin will be shiny. You don't have to break the bank to have a beautiful skin or to make your skin radiant. Just dedicate sometimes and be willing to fall in love with your DIY skincare routine. So guys, I use vitamin E oil and azelaic oil, but you can also use any oil you have, any serum you have. It is a go. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment and follow or subscribe if you are watching from YouTube. Bye. Hey good family, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, I want to say you are welcome. So guys, this is a anti-aging scrub or facial care. The ingredients, as you can see, they are super easy to get, except maybe for some of the oils. But if you don't mind, you can also use any oil of your choice. Why I use this oil dedicated for skin? Because while scrubbing with sugar and tomatoes, if you have a sensitive skin, it could create one or two damages. So I advise you, when doing something like this, try use oils that are specially designed for skin, just like vitamin E oil, vitamin C oil, the azelaic oil, any oil dedicated for skin, because it is an anti-aging scrub. So you are trying to get rid of those scrub. It is good to incorporate oils that could help repair some damaged tissues or some damaged skin. So while waiting, use those oil for your combination. But if you don't have the oil, you can also use any oil of your choice, like almond oil, carrot oil, any oil, olive oil, any oil of your choice, sunflower oil, it is fine. The essence of oil is to also easy the scrubbing process, so it will not be so aggressive for your skin. It kind of moisturizing your skin while scrubbing, so you will not feel the effect or you see redness after washing. So guys, this video, the waiting time for this whole process, the scrubbing and all, is 5 to 10 minutes. Like, you know, I don't allow my scrub to be more than 10 to 5 minutes, except for very other reasons. But right now, I will see you after scrubbing, after washing, then to see the final look how it goes. So the ingredients, I will be leaving them on the description box. Check it out and let me know if you are trying it out. This is an anti-aging scrubbing because tomatoes is one of the best fruits when you're trying to fight age sign with natural remedies. Applying tomatoes juice on your face every day is a go for your skin. The process is long, but the more you use them, the more you are consistent, the better the result will be visible. So guys, let me know if you like this video, and please don't forget to leave your thoughts, negative or positive, on the comment section. Bye. So Glossy family, I'm back, I'm done, and as you can see, my face is cute. So guys, this effect or the result of this particular scrub, like I will always say, lasts up to 3 days. You will see your face will glow for 3 days complete. Rub makeup or not, your face will glow, your skin will shine. So this is my face. It is a bit red because while I was scrubbing, I applied a little bit of pressure to scrub really deep. But I advise you, save your face that harshness. Don't apply pressure when scrubbing. Just scrub gently and don't make it too aggressive. If not, you're going to experience some reddish sensation just like the one you are washing. Right now I'm going to go in with my face moisturizer. Then I'm going to give my face a very good amount of it, and this is all for this video. So guys, if you want to try this remedy or you love this particular remedy, let me know on the comment section. The feelings is super cute, soft and smooth. So guys, what do I have to say? It is Glossy Tip, and you remember, we glow on this channel or on this page with all the natural ingredients, the ones you have in your kitchen cabinet or in your fridge. So for the ingredients again, I use some sugar. I took a piece of tomatoes. I use 3 drops of my oil. I use vitamin C oil, vitamin E oil, and azelaic oil. Those 3 are serums. You can, if you have any serums, skin serums you have at home, you can also use them. Or you can also use olive oil, sunflower oil, avocado oil, any oil you have. Just make sure there is oil on it so that your skin will not suffer too much of trauma or stress while scrubbing. All right guys, thanks and God bless you. Please don't miss my next update. I'm going to show you how to activate your cheap cream into a bleaching strong lotion. Bye.